Welcome to the video. Today we will solve one of the Olympiad problems that multiples of 8 are strung together in X 8, 16, 24, 32 all the way up to 2024. How many digits are there in X? That's the question. Let's get into it. So we have to how to approach this problem. We know that multiples of 8 up to 2024 will have either 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits or 4 digits. So we have to count how many number of digits are there which has only 1, how many multiples are there which has 2 digits, how many multiples are there which has 3 digits, and how many multiples have 4 digits. So anything less than 10, we have only one multiple of 8, which is this number here, 8. Now, then multiple of 8 which is of 2 digits will be less than 100. So we start with 16 up to 96. So in total we have 8 into 12 is 96. This is 8 into 1 is 8. So in total here 11 multiples. So 11 into 2 is 22 digits will come from multiples of 8 which has 2 digits. Okay. Then less than 1000 will be multiples of 8 which has 3 digits. So from 104 all the way up to 992. So this is 11 into 13. No, sorry, 8 into 13. And this is 8 into 2, sorry, 124. Correct? So in total, 124 minus 13 plus 1 is 112. These many multiples are there which will have 3 digits. So the total number of digits that we will get from here is going to be 3 multiplied by 112, which will give 336 digits. Okay. And then the last one, between 1000 to 2024, how many digits are there? So this is 8 multiplied by 125, and this is 8 multiplied by 253. So, 4 digits multiple will be 253 minus 125 plus 1, which will come out to be, okay. So then 4 times 129 is 63, 408, 516. Okay, so then total number of digits is the sum of all these 4. So 1 plus 22 plus 336 plus 516. So 662 and 1 will make it 515. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 3, 8. So this is the final answer.